Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel an offer on eBay. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your eBay account. Once you're in, hover over My eBay in the top right corner of the screen. Then click on Bids Offers from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can see all your current bids and best offers. Under the Best Offers section, find the item for which you want to cancel the offer and click on View Offer Details. A pop-up window will appear. Look for the link that says Retract Your Offer and click on it. Now follow the on-screen instruction to complete the cancellation process. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your offer on eBay. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.